So this video is dedicated to M.K. Lakshmi Narayana. She said, query about trading using cup and handle setup. This was sent on 20th of November. So she's saying, good evening, Rohit sir. Hope you are having a great day. I am Lakshmi Narayana from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. I think she had sent me one email earlier as well, and I have made a video on that. It is there on my YouTube channel. I have a doubt about the cup and handle pattern. Question number one, can we take a trade based on a cup and handle breakout when the price is at an all-time high? And second is, does the cup and handle pattern work better on the daily time frame or the weekly time frame? Thank you, sir. I'll answer the second question first, because you see, the cup with handle pattern was introduced by William O'Neill in his book, How to Make Money in Stocks. And William O'Neill basically was a weekly chart trader. So the cup with handle pattern applies to the weekly time frame chart. It does not apply to the daily time frame chart. Now, on MarketSmith platform, when you open the weekly time frame chart, you will see the blue zone, the red zone, and the green zone. The red zone is the stop loss area. The blue zone is the buying range. And the green zone is the place where you take profits or the target range. That is drawn on the weekly time frame chart. Now, when you convert that weekly to the daily, you will see those ranges, but those ranges are mainly drawn on the weekly time frame chart. So to answer this question, it's a weekly time frame chart. It has cup and handle has got nothing to do with daily time frame chart. Coming to the first question, can we take a trade based on cup and handle breakout when the price is at an all-time high? So let's open a chart. Let's go to Polycab. I think Polycab had a cup with handle recently. Not recently, but let's see. It's asking me to log in. Yeah, that's a large cup with handle. Okay, you see this? See, now notice this chart. It's a very good example. Notice this blue range. This is the daily time frame chart, by the way. The blue range is the buying range. That is where you're supposed to buy the stock. The red color is the stop loss range, and the green color is the target range. These levels are drawn on the weekly time frame chart. Here you see it like this is like zooming in. So this is a daily time frame chart. So you see when I click here, it says pattern is cup with handle, stage is 1. So it is base 1, cup with handle. Now you are supposed to buy in the blue color zone. Now the question is, can we take a trade based on cup and handle breakout when the price is at an all-time high? See, that is not going to happen, because let's say the price breaks this pivot point. The pivot point is 6871. When the price breaks this pivot point, it is not at an all-time high. If you go back, this is July 2025, and this is July 2024. So see, somewhere here or somewhere here is that 52-week high. The price is not an all-time high here. Okay. So the handle or the pivot is always going to be inside the base in a cup with handle. Now, if this handle is very close to the 52-week high, somewhere instead of here, if it is here and the price breaks out, it crosses the 52-week high, but it is still in the blue range. That means this criteria would be satisfied. The breakout has already happened. The price has gone above the 52-week high, but it still remains in that 5% range, buying range. Well, in that situation, it's okay to buy because you're not violating the basics of a cup with handle pattern. The idea is here is to buy at the right place at the right time. You don't want to buy extended stocks. David Ryan, who has been a student of William O'Neill, three-time US investing champion, in his early days, he would buy stocks beyond this blue range. He would buy stocks when they already crossed that blue range. And when he did his trade journaling, he realized that his results were not good because of getting into extended stocks. So that's the lesson that he learned back in the late 80s or early 80s, if I have to mention that. But that's a lesson that we don't need to learn because MarketSmith has already given us the levels. As long as we stick to these levels, we should be doing fine. Let us convert this to weekly. You see, in this case, it says consolidation in the weekly time frame chart. They have marked a very long base here. They call it consolidation. But on the daily, it's been marked as a cup with handle. That's okay. No problem. These are just names given. Basically, the stock has formed a base now ready to break out. Currently, it has broken the 50-day simple moving average. I have made a video yesterday on Polycab. I think that got published yesterday. I had recorded it well before that. It got published yesterday. And you know the story of the trade that I took in Polycab. Now, since it is below the 50 SMA, I'm already out of the stock. But just to answer these two questions, I took the example of Polycab. So thanks to Lakshmi Narayana for sending this email. I hope you got value out of this. Thank you so much.